video, I'll be showing you all how to make these type of flowers. So the materials you need are a pencil, a gum, sticks, a brush, a palette, any object to draw a circle, a scissor, paint and papers. These papers are hard so that we can use this for crafts. So first we are going to color the sticks. Here I am using grass green. So we have to color it full. I have already done one which is colored full and you have to dry it. And next we have to take any color paper. Here I am going to use yellow paper and I am going to draw a circle. You have to cut it and then you will get a circle like this. Then you have to fold it like this. And then you have to open it. Then you will get a line in the center. You have to cut the line. And then you have to use this and fold the circles half like this. Like a cone, and you have to apply the gum here. Then you have to stick it. You can make like this how much you want. Here I am going to make 4. You can make how much you want. Make sure that it sticks properly. Now here I am having 4. Now I am going to stick this to this sticks. So for that I am going to apply the gum. We have to apply the gum where we are going to stick. So then you can see a line in this cone. So you can stick it like this. Now I am going to stick on this side. Make sure that your paper is sticked properly. So this is how you have to make flowers. I hope you all know how to make these flowers now. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please like this video and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you guys will be notified and will be the first to watch new deposit videos like this. This is Aiza signing off.